2 trains. Yeah, they really need 2 trains.
Okay, we're gonna go on this mystery ride in the Superstition Mountain. Aren't we, guys?
I was gonna try to get a picture, but I can't get a picture, Dan.
There's you guys. Let's go. We're going to Superstition Mountain.
I can't get my phone.
Woohoo! I'm going backwards. You guys are going forwards.
Yay. It's nice.
Sarah and I are going backwards.
The seats are nice and comfy too.
Well, they won't be when you're flying around. Here we go.
How's the first level one? I'm scared. Oh, I see that.
Woo! All right. This is going to be pretty rough. I have a feeling.
Oh yeah.
Hey, could you help a dead guy out? Could you go down
here,
to
smile,
Taco Stand
Jan.
and get me some of those nacho chips? Where are you going? Hey, the taco stand is the other way.
Oh,
You'll be fine.
got a skeleton over there talking to us.
Try to get my stuff put away.
Here we
quick.
go. Look it out that way.
Alright, just close your eyes.
Going up. Oh, we're stopping at the top.
You're alright. Yes, you hold on.
Alrighty. Here we go.
No, you're just gonna shake around a little bit.
Want to shake, shake, shake. Hopefully we can hang on tight. Did you like it?
Yeah.
That was pretty fun, wasn't it?
I told you it wasn't really huge drops. It was small
Put a
drops.
disclaimer. Turn down your sound. We're screaming too much. Woohoo! We did it. We did it. We did it.
That weight worth it.
Awesome.
There you go.
That was
see?
fun. We rode the Superstition Mountain. Woo! Woo! We did it.